Earthquake struck the East Coast this morning. The U.S. Geological Survey reports the 4.8 quake was centered near White House Station, New Jersey. The shake could be felt from Maryland to New York to Maine. The shaking was caught on camera in Highland Mills, New York, that is. And at the UN headquarters in New York City, where debate was briefly held up as the room shook, there have been no initial reports of major damage. And for residents of the nation's largest city, it shook up, well, their morning activities.
I mean, I was just laying in bed and suddenly like it pushed me to the side.
And then I started getting texts from my friends. I got, did you feel the quake? Did you feel the quake? Did you feel the quake? It was kind of exciting, but that was it.
And while earthquakes in the northeast U.S. are rare, Buffalo, New York was struck by a 3.8 magnitude quake in February of 2023, the strongest recorded in the area in 40 years.